This is my teacher notebook. I love her very much. She has a color-coded system now. I did add an index since the last time you guys saw her in the first teacher notebook check, and this has been so helpful. So I'm really glad that I started doing that after the very wise suggestion. I have a color for different colors for things like discussion, writing, and reading, just like notes that I take from our class or from our readings. And then I also have practicum reflections, just like things I've observed in the field. And then lesson planning, which has been really helpful. And this one is just kind of like overarching teacher practice, teacher identity, all that kind of stuff. And I really like using it. This tab system also makes it a lot easier, and I imagine that it'll make it a lot easier in the field because I can actually find the things that I want to look for. Something I have been using a lot is Bloom's taxonomy, of course. There she is. I also have the wheel, which has been very helpful as I have been writing my objectives, which is so fun. And then, yeah, lots of notes from practicum, from readings and stuff. I'm really excited to, when I get in the field, I want to like just write down as much as I can. I know it's not like observation. I'll hopefully be more teaching, so not as much time to just write, but like as much as I can, I want to write down wisdom from my mentor teacher, just things that I learn, hopefully about students. I want to like get to know them and remember things about them. So something I want to do is record things in my teacher notebook, unless that's creepy. Not in a creepy way, like write everything about my students, but like I want to remember things about them. So take notes and all that kind of thing. I also went to a really interesting presentation at the art museum that Dr. Hogan told us about, and they gave us so many notes on teaching with art, which was really interesting. So I even put that in my teacher journal, and it's awesome, and I love it.